Namaste to all. I am your Sanskrit teacher, Kendriya Vidyalaya Annanagar, taking class through digital mode. This is for class 10th standard, lesson number 1, Suchi Paryavaranam, lesson number 7, continue of third class today. Students, those who are joined now, you all are requested to give attendance by voice. Please register your name and class and section one by one. Please tell me.
Sir, COVID 10th year present, sir.
Okay.
Sir, the EL 10th present, sir.
Okay.
Yashashree 10C present, sir.
Okay. Good.
Akshita 10C present, sir.
Welcome. Good.
Journey of class 10th D present, sir.
Welcome to digital class. Good.
Good morning, sir. Gopika 10D present, sir.
Welcome.
Mahavidyashri 10C present, sir.
Swagatam. Please others mute. Those who are talking, they only should open.
Sir, Laksha 10A present, sir.
Swagatam.
Gladys 10th present, sir.
Swagatam.
Shriya 10A present, sir.
Swagatam.
Present, sir.
Name.
Adi 10th year present, sir.
Swagatam.
Balaji, வெளியே போயிட்டான் சார்.
Okay. Okay. Start. सुस्वागतं भवतां सर्वेषाम् अद्य संस्कृतकक्षायाः दशमकक्षायाः प्रथमपाठः अद्य. Welcome to digital learning class 10th standard lesson number 1. Sloka number 7. Kindly make mute mode. Please don't talk, and there should not be any disturbance because recording is going on. I will ask you that time only you have to interact. When I will say that time, please make everybody mute. I am able to see those who are making mute here. Adi made mute. Everybody please make it put in mute mode. Then without disturbance you can hear my voice, and I will also will continue my class teaching. Any doubts, clarifications? I will ask you at end of the session or end of the sloka or paragraphs. That time you can interact with me and get clarified. Gauri Shankar is joining. Welcome, Gauri Shankar. Now, so far 20 students are participating. Our strength is a little bit increased compared with last class. And I request all the students to join. This class will run only for 40 minutes till we complete the portions. What happened? About reader is making problem. I think so. Are you able to see the screen? Hello?
Sir, yes, sir, but it's white, sir. White color.
1 minute, 1 minute. This one
Okay.
extrovert reader problem creating. Again, I have to open. Open. Some technical problem comes because we are in online and network problem coming. Automatically, yesterday also I faced the same problem. So far 20 students are participating. Video is not compulsory. 1 or 2 can be there on video only for namesake for me to see whether you all are listening. Otherwise, others can be in silent mode. We start sloka number 7. These 3 lines are there. Prastara tale lata taru. Goodness. What should I do? I go with the original one. A dark-covered reader is problem. Okay.
சார் கௌரி சங்கர் வந்திருக்கான் சார்.
அவனை அப்பயே அட்மிட் பண்ணிட்டேன். மோகன்ராம் சி ஆல்சோ ஜாயினிங்.
Join, sir.
உண்டானா?
Sir, Praveen joins.
பிரவீன் வரலையே. ஓகே. Some problem in PDF. It is not staying forever when I start this to teach. Not allowing to teach. See?
Mohan had joined, sir.
Okay. என்னடா மக்கள் வந்து. "23 students are there so far. யாரும் வந்திருக்காங்க இப்போ? Somebody is joining now. Sorry to technical problem, please. Are you able to hear? Covid?
சார்
Okay. Prastara tale lata taruna lata ulmano bhavantu piftaha pashani abhyata nisarge dhyanna samavishta. Recording is in progress. Please make your mute mode. पाषाणी सभ्यता निसर्गे स्यान्न समाविष्टा मानवाय जीवनं कामयेनो जीवन मरणं शुचि पर्यावरणं पदच्छेदः एवमस्ति प्रस्तरतले लतातरु गुल्माः नो इति अस्ति अत्र नो इत्येव अस्ति नः भवेत् भवन्तु पिष्टाः पाषाणी सभ्यता निसर्गे स्यात् न स्यान्न समाविष्टा मानवाय जीवनं जीवनं कामये नो जीवत् मरणं जीवन मरणम् अत्र नो नो इति नः नः स्युः there is no that maybe okay correct the word see the word meanings you see the word meaning prastara tale means what you know 22 students are so far is their good strength today compared with the last class prastara means you know pashana stone पाषाणम् अस्ति भूमौ पाषाणम् अस्ति स्टोन् तस्य प्रस्तर इति प्रस्तरस्थले पाषाणस्य अधः प्रदेशे अंडर द स्टोन् लतातरुगुल्माः लताः क्रीपर् वृक्षाः तरवः गुल्माः तस्य लघुपादपाः स्माल् ट्रीस् नो निषेधार्थकं नो द मीनिंग it is given in the meaning no means is it in the meaning they are given not naha in the meaning no only same as it is bhavantu bhudatu paraspepada let it be pishtaha churnaha means no the nashta it is given churnaha destroy pashani पाषाणस्य भवनानि पाषाण means stone bhavana means you know building then sabhyata samskriti culture nisarge prakrita means what you know in nature syat na syanna syat means bhavet should be somebody is coming I don't know who is that they have to tell me. You please inform to me, COVID, somebody is coming asking admit. They went out. Again, you are put in a WhatsApp, they send the message. Ask them to come again and again. I'm not seeing the board. I keep the board. You are not able to see.
Okay, sir. நான் உங்ககிட்ட சொல்றேன் சார்.
இல்ல இப்ப நீ பார்க்க முடியல மேல யார் வராங்கன்னு உனக்கு தெரியல.
என்னால பார்க்க முடியல சார்.
உனக்கு post for me only I am able to see. One person came, they went because I am seeing on the board busy in teaching. You ask them put it is coming.
Okay sir, 1 minute sir.
I joined no? I think. Who entered now? Give attendance. They are not talking. Okay, syat bhavet na, then samavishta pravishta, entered. मानवाय मानवार्थम जीवनम प्राणानां रक्षणम कामये प्राणानां रक्षणम प्रोटेक्टिंग ऑफ द पीपल कामये इच्छामि लाइकिंग तेजस कामये इच्छामि जीवन मरणम जीवते इच्छामि लाइकिंग जीवते मरणम जीवन मरणम जीवते जनाय मरणम for living here in the world. What is this? Requesting? No. For they are asking this that I don't permit it. Approve. Annotate the shared content. No. Please don't ask for annotate. This message is coming again and again from blockhead 172512. Who is that? Please don't ask me. We don't permit for anything. Even recording also not permitted. Kindly don't record. After recording, I will post in the YouTube. You can see it. You are permitted
Sir,
only to.
Sir, Mukhi left, sir.
Okay, no problem. That is their own wish because we cannot see that it is a profit for them. This all
I ask a doubt, sir.
ah, tell me.
Which all lesson is not in our exam, sir?
That is not lesson number 1 and 2. That is the last lesson. Last 1 or 2 lessons are there. I will tell that time. Now CBSE is going to make some changes in the syllabus. Also, we heard. Okay.
Yes, sir. I read in newspaper, sir.
So that we do not know how many lessons they are going to give, or they are going to make modifications in activities. So till it comes from CBSE, we cannot disclose that which lesson may not be there, which lesson will be there. Anyhow, the lesson, whatever may be, maybe for the exam sake they will omit it. For knowledge purpose, we have to learn likewise only, I think so. As you know, the last year also class 9th standard, they told us 1, 2, 3 lessons were not there. Likewise, this year also they will tell. Okay, Mondram is coming on video. Okay, Natataru Gulmaha Anvayasi will continue. I am recording it. Please make a mute mode. लतातरु गुल्माः प्रस्तरतले पिट्टाः नो भवन्तु भाषानि सभ्यता निसर्गे समाविष्टा न स्यात् मानवीय जीवनं कामये जीवन मरणं नो कामये. Here meaning शिलाखण्डानां मदः लताः वृक्षाः लघुपादपाः च पिष्टाः न भवेयुः भवनानां निर्माणकार्यं वनप्रदेशे न भवेत् यथा वनानि विना मानवस्य जीवनम् एव दुष्करं भवति कवि जीवितानां जनानां मरणं न इच्छति इति हेतोः स्वच्छं वातावरणं निर्मातुं जनान् प्रेरयति. पश्यन्तु छात्राः, शिलाखण्डानां मदः अंडर द स्टोन, अधः लताः वृक्षाः लघुपादपाः च पिष्टाः न भवेयुः. भवनानां तत्र मार्गे अथवा ग्रामे भवनानि सन्ति, गृहाणि सन्ति. गृहस्य अधः वृक्षाः वा लताः वा लघुपादपाः वा विनष्टाः न भवेयुः. अर्थात् अस्य वाक्यस्य अयमर्थः किं भविष्यति? इदानीं लोके सर्वत्र वनं, तत्र वृक्षाः, वने वृक्षाः सन्ति, परन्तु जनाः किं कुर्वन्ति? वनस्य नाशं कृत्वा तत्र भवनानां गृहाणां निर्माणं कुर्वन्ति. भवनस्य अधः, गृहस्य अधः वृक्षाः तत्र विनष्टाः भवन्ति. Please understand, students. Generally, people, what they do nowadays, they destroy the entire forest. All
Okay, sir.
listen, don't talk in the middle. Please make mute mode. Then, generally, people are destroying the forest, all kind of the trees, and under the and then they construct the building. Under the building are houses. There should not be any kind of the trees or creepers should be there. Means they want to say they should not destroy. भवनानां निर्माणकार्यं वनप्रदेशे न भवेत्. गृहस्य अथवा भवनस्य निर्माणं वनप्रदेशे, वनस्थले निर्माणं न स्यात्. अतः you should understand, people should not construct or they should not make any kind of the building in the forest area. यतः वनानि विना मानवस्य जीवनम् एव दुष्करं भवति. Why? Because without a forest, the manavasya jeevanam dushkaram bhavati. The life of human being is very difficult because the natural resource is very important for us, that you must know. If it is not there, what happens everywhere else? And we are not getting any kind of the benefits because of the nature. कवि जीवितानां जनानां मरणं न इच्छति. कविः रचयिता मनुष्याणां जीवनं न कदापि मरणं भवेत् इति चिन्तयति. The poet is always thinking that none of the people should get die in the world because of polluted. इति हेतोः स्वच्छं वातावरणं निर्मातुं जनान् प्रेरयति. So that because of that purpose only, the poet is thinking always the environment should be very neat and good. Such kind of the environment we have to create. So I tell the brief manner poem meaning. First, जनाः यत्र कुत्रापि भवनस्य गृहस्य निर्माणं न कुर्यात् यत्र वृक्षाः लघुपादपाः तत्र सन्ति. भवनानां निर्माणकार्यं वनप्रदेशे कदापि न कुर्युः. यतः वन अथवा वृक्षस्य अभावे जनानां जीवनं कष्टकरं भवति. कविः सर्वथा स्वमनसि एवं चिन्तयति, जनाः कदापि सुखी भवेत् न कदापि मरण अवस्थां गच्छेयुः. इति कारणात् स्वच्छं वातावरणं निर्माणाय कविः प्रार्थयति. See the students, at any circumstance we should not destroy and remove any kind of the trees, and we should not build houses or buildings, and there should not be below the buildings, under the buildings, trees or other things. The poet wants the people should live very happily in the world, and none of them should die in the world, and all should live in pollution free zone area in this world. That is what called Suddham Vatavaranam, Suchi Paryavaranam iti. These 7 slokas are completed. Now we go with some of the slokas. Now you can make it interacting with me. Some Ekavadena Uttarata likewise it is given. You can make it for responding to me. Please listen, students. I do not know. Some students are going again coming and requesting for admission. No, I cannot keep on giving admission. Please make a mute. Everybody put in mute mode. Somebody is opening it. Hello? Okay. No. Okay. Please make everybody mute mode. Everybody put in a mute mode. Okay. Yes. Now you can give me an answer. Ke pittaha na bhavantu. Who will give answer to me? Krishna will give answer to me. Krishna will give.
Sir, Mohan. சொன்னாங்க சார். சொன்னாங்க சார்.
யாரு?
மோகன் ராம் ஜியோ கோவிட் சார்.
ஆமா, அவங்க வரலங்க. கேட்க சொல்லு.
அவங்கள அட்மிட் பண்ண சொன்னாங்க சார்.
சொல்லுமா. Classes are going on. You are not. But are you able to see me? Okay. A screen? One minute, I will get it information. Update line. All of you are able to hear my voice? Hello, respond to me. Anybody? Adi? 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 Who is there on the screen? Respond to me. Somebody tell me answer. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Hello, Shreya?
We can hear, sir.
They are able to hear. No, you are not because others
Yes,
are
sir.
telling. You check it. Mute பண்ணிட்டு
Your voice, sir.
பாருங்க போய் நரசிம்மன் போஸ்ட்னு இருக்குல்ல அது எங்க போய் மீட் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னு கேட்காதுடா பாருங்க ஓகே ஓகே so somebody give me the answer Kahana Bhavantu and Iyal will tell me answer. Anybody else? Krishna? Mohan Ram? Gopika is here? Mahavidya is here? Any one of you come on video? Hello, respond to me. Are you able to hear?
Hello, sir.
Who is that?
Nitya Shri, sir.
Okay. கேக்குதா நான் பேசுறது?
Sir, கேக்குது.
Okay. Respond பண்ணுங்க. Answer சொல்லுங்க. அப்பதான் தெரியும்.
Okay, sir.
Will you tell me answer to this question which I am showing on the screen? Yatha taru gurmaha vidishaha na bhavantu. It is say and tell the answer.
Lata Tarugulumaha Pitrashra na
Vishaha na bhavantu.
Pitraha na Bhavantu.
Okay. Somebody else? Others? Laksha? Mahavidya is here? Okay. Iyal is sending message. Iyal, tell me the answer for this question. Ka samavishthana syat. Or anybody else?
Sir, can I say the answer?
Yes. Who is that?
Pashani Sabhyata Samavishta na Syat.
Okay. Who is that?
Krishna.
Krishna. Okay. Good. So now you are able to understand this. This sloka is where these all things I will make a record and send you. Make mute mode. Krishna. Okay. Then listen. Somebody is mute. Everybody mute. Please make it in mute mode because echo is coming. Okay, it's clear. Now, this sloka we completed. The homework I assigned to you. Please note down from this sloka. All of you write this sloka. This is a sloka. Then Padacheda. Then Anvaya. Then Bhavartha. As usual. Then 4 questions and 4 Shabdartha difficult one which you feel yourself. This to complete and submit to me and show to me. But yesterday 2 days I was taking the classes. I have not seen in the WhatsApp group sending the homework to me, and you all are asked to send through WhatsApp the homework. As you sent a classwork of the lesson 1, likewise you have to send to me homework also. Okay, are you able to hear? Respond to me this question, anybody? Any one of you? Open, unmute and tell me. Krishna? Asashri? Okay. Anybody else? Any one of you speak? Onram? Onram? Who is that? Speak.
Sir,
Yes, tell me. Respond to me. Then only I know. Are you able to hear
sir,
my
network
voice?
problem, sir.
Okay, you are yaar ide? Phone
Sir.
Okay, EL.
அப்பப்போ சார் அப்பப்போ வருது சார் நெட்வொர்க் ப்ராப்ளம் சார்
Sir, EL illa sir.
EL இல்லையா? Okay.
Ah,
Which are you able to hear my voice?
sir.
யாரு?
Mahavidya kuda illa.
வந்தாங்க. ஓகே. யார் இது பேசுறது? மோகன்ராமா?
Kevin sir.
Come on video.
Sir?
வீடியோ ஆன் பண்ணு.
Yes sir.
வரலையே. I'm not able to see.
Okay sir.
No. நீ வீடியோ ஆன் பண்ணாதான் வரும்.
Network சரியா வரல sir.
Okay. சரி, okay. Now these all are the homework I assigned to you all. Shreya, are you able to hear my voice? No. Shreya? Shreya? Okay, she told me not able to hear her voice. Okay. Note down these all the things. Write this homework which I sent to you and complete and submit to me. I'm going to conclude the session today. Okay? Respond to me, anybody one?
Sir.
Who is that?
Nitya, sir.
Nitya, okay. Nitya, listen, I'm going to conclude today the session. The homework which I sent to you all, you have to complete and submit to me and through WhatsApp.
Okay.
And we will continue again remaining. Already I submitted the through WhatsApp to you all exercise of the lesson 1. I hope this. You have any doubts, you can send through WhatsApp, or you can text to me, or you can send the message to me also. I will see it or next class when we will come online. You can clarify. So I am concluding this lesson.
Okay, sir.
Today's lesson. Thank you, all the students. Listen, I am your Sanskrit teacher taking Sanskrit class through digital mode. We have completed lesson number 1 today. Suchi Paryavaranam. Stay safe, and any doubts or clarifications, please send to me. Any doubts, any feedback, you want to send me the feedback, please send me feedback through WhatsApp, and I will upload this in YouTube also. Those who are not able to hear or some are not able to take part in this online class, they can also view and learn from this. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you, sir.
धन्यवाद श्रीमान.
Dhanyavad.